I am the Dollar Sportsman. Good evening, guys. We are just bringing you a tip of the day that we were inspired by my good buddy Jaden's rocket stove here. I don't know if it's even cool enough to hold on to yet, but let me show you what I'm talking about. The whole theory behind a rocket stove is you get a lot of the air flow from the bottom and it comes up and fuels what's inside. Works really well. So we decided we would take that principle and expand it to our fire pit here. We built this and put all of our wood in the middle, and now we have an excellent fire, whereas we were actually really struggling to get this wood to light previously. But this time, this rocket stove worked, and down below, you can feed, I don't know if you can see this or not, but you can feed wood through the hole at the bottom. And by doing so, you can keep this rocket stove alive, and the airflow comes in on the same side. And you just keep feeding it in order to keep the fire going. So this is a pretty nifty little trick. It's working very well. We've got some steaks in the pan. And yeah, we always eat steak when we come out here because why not? It's steak. Why not eat steak? Rocket stoves are awesome, and building one in the wild works excessively well. It's working very well right now for our dinner. And I'm very glad because this is going to be delicious. Tell me about some of your experiences in the comments below of lighting some pretty cool fires to cook some really awesome meals. Cool fires, awesome meals. Go and do it.
All right, shall we inspect?
Let's inspect. Inspect away, sir.
Oh,
those are looking good. Look at all that grease and fat at the bottom there. Probably flip these, huh?
What a beauty in this idea.
Oh man, look at that. There we go. So as we're learning with this, the smaller the little pieces of wood that you put in the center, the better. It seems to keep the fire going well, and this wood is incredibly wet. We just bought this. Usually when you buy it from a gas station, you would assume that it had been dried out, but that's a wrong assumption. But yeah, it's extremely wet wood, which is why we're having trouble lighting it, but this is making it go really well. With a mix of a little bit of the regular wood that we have found out here. So yeah, now we got the steaks going really well. Okay, we got the second round of steaks, only this time they are on skewers. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that looks so good though. That turned out just perfect. Beautiful, beautiful steak. And I am really going to enjoy eating it. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna take a bite of this right now. Oh yeah. Cut. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. We're having fun out here. I just enjoy all of this because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy.